If you've ever tried to make the perfect boiled egg in the middle of a busy morning, you already know how weirdly stressful it can get. Too soft, too hard cracked shells, timing guesses. It's one of those things that sounds simple, but somehow keeps going wrong. That's where the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker comes in. It's designed for people who want consistent, no-fuss eggs without standing over a stove or watching a timer. Whether you're meal prepping for the week, making a quick breakfast before work, or just tired of guessing cooking times, this little appliance is trying to take all the thinking out of the process. At first glance, it's compact and pretty minimal. It doesn't try to look like a premium kitchen gadget, and honestly, that works in its favor. The plastic body is lightweight but doesn't feel flimsy, and the black finish keeps it from looking out of place on most countertops. It's small enough to tuck into a corner or cabinet, and one of the smarter design choices is that all the accessories, like the trays for poaching or omelets, fit inside the unit when you're not using it. That makes a bigger difference than you'd expect if you're short on kitchen space. The lid is clear, so you can see what's going on inside, and everything feels straightforward. There's no complicated interface here, just a single button to start the cooking process. It's the kind of device you can figure out without even opening the manual, which is exactly what you want early in the morning. In terms of performance, this is where it really earns its place. You add a measured amount of water depending on how you want your eggs, soft, medium, or hard, and the built-in thermal sensor handles the rest. That means you're not relying on guesswork or timing things manually. In real-world use, it's surprisingly consistent. Once you get used to the measuring cup, you'll start getting the same results every time, which is honestly the biggest win here. It's also fast. Boiling eggs on the stove can take a while, especially if you're waiting for water to heat up. This speeds things up noticeably, and more importantly, it frees you up to do other things. You can start it, walk away, and come back once done. It even shuts off automatically, which takes away that low-level anxiety of, did I forget something on the stove? Beyond basic boiling, it's more versatile than it looks. You can poach eggs, make scrambled eggs, or even small omelets using the included trays. Now, to be clear, it's not going to replace a proper pan if you're making a full breakfast spread. But for quick, single servings or small portions, it does the job well enough. It's especially useful if you want something simple without dirtying multiple dishes. Cleaning is also refreshingly easy. Since most of the parts are non-electric, you can just toss them in the dishwasher or rinse them under the tap. The heating plate may need a quick wipe now and then, especially if there's mineral buildup from water, but overall, maintenance is minimal. It's one of those appliances you're actually likely to keep using because it doesn't create extra work afterward. That said, it's not perfect. The build is functional, but it doesn't feel premium. So if you're expecting something high-end, this might feel a bit basic. The buzzer that signals when it's done is also pretty loud, which some people might find annoying, especially in quieter homes. And while it handles eggs well, it's a single-purpose appliance at its core. So if you're tight on space and only occasionally cook eggs, it might not justify the spot on your counter. Compared to other egg cookers in the same price range, this one stands out mostly for its simplicity and reliability. Some competitors offer more digital controls or slightly fancier designs, but they often don't improve the actual results. This focuses on doing one thing well and keeping the process as easy as possible. In that sense, it delivers better everyday value than many more complicated options. So who is this really for? If you eat eggs regularly, especially for breakfast or meal prep, this can save you time and remove a lot of small frustrations. It's great for students, busy professionals, or even families who want a quick, predictable way to cook eggs without hovering over the stove. But if you only make eggs once in a while, or you prefer more hands-on cooking, you might be perfectly fine sticking with a pot and a timer. At the end of the day, this isn't trying to reinvent cooking. It's just making one specific part of your routine easier and more consistent. And sometimes, that's exactly what you need. If you think this could simplify your mornings or meal prep routine, you can check it out through the link in the description. And if this review helped you out, consider liking the video and subscribing. More honest, practical reviews are on the way.